Hello everyone, welcome to Emily.RPA Academy, the easiest general-purpose RPA tutorial channel to get started. This video episode introduces the upload function and its related adjustments. The upload command is automatically generated by manipulating web pages in web automation. If Emily detects upload, it will generate the upload step in the automation process. Emily will record the file path and the CSS selector of the target node. When Emily executes the automation, it will automatically input the specified file path to the target node. Now we will show you the upload function. First, open the training mode. Go to the URL in the video description. In this page, we click the Choose File button and select the file with the specified path. After selecting the file, Emily will generate an upload command in the process automatically. However, please note that not all web page uploads follow the same upload method. There are some web pages with a special upload function, which will not generate the upload command automatically, and you need to use other methods to upload the files. Okay, let's finish the training, testing, and uploading skills. Next, I will show how the upload step can be adjusted. In the Upload Step adjustment, you can adjust the file path. There are three ways to provide a file path in the File Path field. The first one is the full file path. Emily will upload the file with this path to the target node. The second way is to enter only the file name. Emily will upload files with the same name from the workspace to the target node. The third type is environment variables. Emily will upload the file to the target node by referring to the file path in the text file. The content of the text file can be the complete file path or only the file name. If there is only a file name, Emily will upload the file with the same name from the workspace to the target node. The dispatch event at the bottom is ticked, which means Emily will send upload event to the target node when executing upload command. Generally speaking, this option does not need to be adjusted. However, for some special web pages, there is a possibility that when running the upload command may send multiple upload events and cause an anomaly. Then you need to uncheck this option. In addition to adjusting the file path, the upload command can also adjust the CSS selector of target node. If there is a change in the target node path of the uploaded web page, you can reset the path from this field. This is the content of this course. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment or post a question on the official forum. Thank you. We will see you next time.